Yo, this is your captain speaking. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do regen for trucks. If you're going to search what regen is a force regen occurs when soot builds up inside the diesel particulate filter (DPF) to the point that the vehicle is no longer operable. When this happens, a driver has to pull over and initiate a self-clearing process that can take up to 40 minutes, valuable time that could have been spent on the road. In a simple explanation about regen, just like in a human being, sometimes if you hard to breathe, you're too much clogging on your nose, so you need to exhale in order for you to breathe properly. Same with our trucks. This alarm are requesting to a 10-minute park and regen required. It says do not drive. This is the sign of a regen. So what we're going to do is press this button, the regen button, for 4 seconds, and it automatically starts. Thank you very much. I hope you learned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification for updates on my next video.